Tact-Pro Refill for Diaper. Genie Diaper Pails 4-pack by Tact-Pro is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. Don't you just hate when you go to change your diaper pail bag and you are on the last bag? Worse yet, you check your cabinets, and you're completely out. But you just bought them last month. Moms dread spending hundreds of dollars a year on disposable trash bags. Keep dirty diapers sealed away inside your Playtex and Munchkin Diaper Genie with Tact-Pro refills. Tact-Pro refills hold more diapers than the other big-name brands, so you're not running out to the store, or back to Amazon, every other week to buy more diaper pail refills. Tact-Pro refills come in a pack of 4 and will last for up to 6 months. Tact-Pro is also more affordable than the leading brands. Even sweeter, there is no need to go out and purchase another diaper pail because Tact-Pro refills are guaranteed to fit all Playtex Diaper Genie pails and Munchkin one. Why Tact-Pro is the best choice for you? High-capacity refills hold more diapers than big-name brands. Convenient 4-pack bundles that last up to 6 months. Less expensive than Playtex Diaper Genie refills without sacrificing quality. Guaranteed to fit major pails including Playtex Diaper Genie, Elite, Essentials and Mini and Arm & Hammer Diaper Pail by Munchkin. Competitive price, includes 1 piece free plus 3 disposable refill bags. Better quality, produced by automation equipment. Shipped from the factory after an extensive white glove examination. Better material, all the materials are environmentally friendly and imported. High compatible, fully compatible with Arm & Hammer Diaper Pail by Munchkin and Playtex Diaper Genie pails. Better service, the manufacturer offer a 30-day hassle-free money-back plus 12-month warranty plus friendly and easy-to-reach support guarantee.